Alright, start by opening up Business Center. Go File, New Project. Make sure you choose US Survey Foot. Press OK. Now you need to bring your files in. So I'm going to bring in the DC file. The TTM file. And the DXF file. There's no particular order there. You can bring them in any order that you would like. Once you've done this, go Project, Export, choose Construction tab, Machine Job Site Design Exporter. Your model type is Surface. If you have multiple surfaces, grab the correct one. Don't worry about a surface clipping boundary. Objects to add or remove for your map. This is what the operator sees. If you just hit Control A, it grabs everything on your screen. Click Add. Click the three dots. And you want to save this file somewhere where you can find it. I'm going to go to my desktop, create a new folder called Machine File Demo. And now I'm going to open that file. So this is where my SVD, SVL, and CFG are going to go. I'm going to name these Machine File Demo. I click Save. Here's where you choose your controller type. Y'all are running AccuGrade. If you don't know what version, you can always go back to like a 12.4 or something along those lines. Enable extended coordinate system. No. Then click Export. If I look in Machine File Demo, I have my CFG, my SVD, and my SVL.